What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. This is Shul aka AltCryptoGems, and today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin markets, analyzing some charts and explaining what's been happening with Bitcoin recently. So let's get started with the video. Now before we do, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. And if you want to stay up to date with all the latest crypto developments, then follow me on Twitter, that's at AltCryptoGems. Let's get started with the video. So first of all, what we need to be talking about is obviously the insane crypto dump that's been happening. Now, you may have noticed that yesterday, the Fed has actually released the fact that they're saying they will be pausing the interest rate hikes. Now, that per se isn't really bearish news. However, they did say that in the future, there will be more rate hikes coming, which caused for people to panic and for the crypto markets to dump, as you can see over here. Now, looking at a quick 4-hour time frame chart, we could actually see that the price was consolidating and we were almost nearing a breakout, which happened exactly yesterday during the FOMC meeting, unfortunately. Now, you can see that it was closing on a triangle, so we expected a breakout, which actually dumped down, unfortunately. Now, looking at the price target itself, I thought we would be seeing a less of a dump, as the price target itself has already been reached. Now, the fact is, can we actually see a bounce happening over here and can we go back up, or will we see a new support line actually forming over here? Now, in order to see this more clearly, we can have a look at another chart, which is the 4-hour time frame again. And as you can actually see when we're zooming out, is we're in a downtrend right now, and we're actually forming lower highs like I've shown over here, and also lower lows. Now, the fact is, will we actually confirm these lower lows and lower highs is something we can only see in a bit. As like I said, we're on the downtrend right now and we're still on the support of the downtrend. So the question is, are we going to fall down even further down into the downtrend? So I think if we do, then we will see some new lows happening soon. Now, will we stay on this downtrend line? Then I do see a potential bounce happening. The question, however, is when will that happen? Now, in order to confirm this a bit more, we could actually have a look at the 12-hour time frame, which is a higher time frame, obviously. And we can actually see that we've been in a downtrend and almost causing for a falling wedge pattern. Now, like I said on the previous chart, we are still currently at the support line and we haven't actually fallen through yet. And we've seen a minor candle going back up again. So right now it is crucial to keep an eye on these charts, as it's important that we stay on this downtrend line in order to see a possible reversal happening soon. Now the question obviously is, where could we possibly go to? Right now, like I said, we're on the downtrend line and you can see we are actually on the same support that we caused in February of this year. So these were the resistances at that time, and right now they have turned into a support line. So crucial is right now, keep this support and this support, which is at around the 24.8k mark, which we bounced on perfectly yesterday during the FOMC meeting. And the question is, can we turn this support back into a reversal pattern? Now, if we do, then we will be staying on the downtrend line again, and we'll be probably consolidating in this wedge. And possibly around here, which would be around in the end of June, possibly even July, we could see a breakout happening to the top or a breakout happening to the downwards momentum. Now, in order to confirm this theory, we can actually have a look at the daily time frame. Looking here, you can actually see from January of this year, we've been in an upwards momentum, and possibly from April on, we've seen a small downwards momentum. Now, the question obviously is, will we continue with this downwards movement that's happening over here, or will we continue with the upwards movement, which is happening over here? In order to get an answer to that, we will need to see what's happening, and especially today. The candle that's closing today is going to be crucial. Now, as you can see, it's on the line right now of the upwards momentum. And looking at the previous lines that we've hit, like I said before, we've seen these supports or resistances happening over here. And the question is, can we turn this into a support line right now? Now, crucial is, if we fall down, then that would mean we've broken this upwards momentum. And then I do see some possible new lows or even drops happening very soon. We could possibly then even go back towards these levels, the 21.6k, or even these levels, the 18.3k. However, if we are able to close this daily candle still on this upwards momentum, then we could see a possible bounce happening anytime soon, and maybe even go up for a new upwards momentum. So right now, what would be my targets to watch? Like I said, we're currently trading on the support line, which is crucial to hold. Now, if we fail to hold, then I see us going down possibly towards 23.8k, which will be my target to watch. If we're able to get a bounce on this, I will be opening a long to possibly go back up. Or if we fail to do so and we break down even further, I'll be opening a short over here. Now, will we actually bounce back up? Will we see a pump? Then the first target point to watch would be the 26.1k mark, which you can see over here. If there's not that much volume and nothing happening once we reach this, I will be opening another short over here. And once we're bouncing, I will be opening a long towards this resistance line. Now, will we actually break through? Then the question will be, are we going to go back up to the first resistance line and possibly consolidate over there? Or are we going to fail and instantly drop down? So right now, what I am watching is, will we fall down towards 24.8 and then possibly opening a short and a long over here? Or will we actually break through and open a long to get this right? And once we reach this, open a short down there. Those are my targets right now. Now, are you interested in trading? Then be sure to use Bybit, as that's my exchange to go right now. You will get insane deposit bonuses when using the link that I've put in the description below. Right now, you're actually getting up to $30,000 deposit bonuses, and it's one of the most simple exchanges with the best UI. So whenever opening a short or long, that's where I'm at. Now, thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video and follow me on Twitter. That's @AltCryptoGems. Thanks a lot for watching and see you guys at the next market update.